another, I don't know, unboxing, whatever you call it. Mabuhay. Anyway, hopefully, if everything goes well, I can get back out in the woods again pretty soon and, you know, stop at the backyard stuff for a while. I do miss getting out and about. Hopefully that'll change up soon. What we got today is we got the ESEE Darien Machete with the canvas sheath. I'll put the specs on the screen now, and there's the canvas sheath. Pretty decent sheath. And if my understanding is correct, these are 1075. They are made by Condor for ESEE, the Expat Darien Machete. Darien, based off the Darien Gap there between Panama, I believe it's Panama, and Colombia. There are the micarta handles, the brass pins. There's the Expat logo. I don't know if you missed it the first time. There is the El Salvador, which is why I believe, yeah, it's by Condor. This is it's got a little more heft than I thought it would. Kind of already wish it had a little more of a finger guard, but it is what it is. Let's go ahead and try that paper stuff. All right. Whoa, hey. Oh, come on, I'm sliding it. Eh. There you go. What is that noise? Come on. See, I can do it like that. That's fine. Okay, here's the canvas sheath. Looks like it's already got a little bit of wear right there. If you can see that. Maybe not. I don't know. Looks like there's a little bit of wear right there. Yeah, feels good in there. Nice and quiet. Very blue sky today. And wow, look at that. Can throw those sparks. A little harder to control it up here, but down here, yeah, I mean, it feels the same in sharpness, but a lot more control down here. Let's cut some stuff up. All right. It's pretty good. Still straight. Oh yeah, coconut time. That's a pretty clean slice. There we go. All right, tomato time. Yeah, I think it's kind of dull right there in the middle. All right, let's take a look at this edge. Not seeing anything obvious. Let's check this backside. Yeah, not seeing anything obvious for damage. Yep, back inside. Let's see if we can shave some hair. And, well, yeah, there's some. And what about towards the middle where we're having issues? Okay. That one off there. Let's try it again. Yeah, that middle's not doing so well. Yeah, that end's not doing so well either. Maybe it's sharpened different. I'm not sure. It seems to be sharpened more sharp back here, and not as sharp towards the front. Maybe it was sharpened that way from the factory on purpose. See, that's the back side. Yeah, maybe it's just not sharp on purpose. Well, there we go. So maybe it's sharp enough for paper, but not hair popping sharp. So how do I feel about the Darien? Oh yeah, let's check the flexibility. Yeah, a little flex, not bad though. So again, how do I feel about this blade? I guess, I don't know, it could be, maybe it's the angle, maybe it was out of the box sharpness, or out of the bag in this case, sharpness of this middle section. That I think kind of countered against it a little bit, but Also, maybe it's not as sharp because that's where, you know, all the impact is supposed to be. And if it was hair popping sharp, maybe it would chip or roll. But, you know, being 1075 and made by Condor, these should sharpen up pretty easy. Maybe we'll try that. And as you can see, it's got that wear pattern already just from those tests today. Yeah, nice spine back here so you can do the ferro rod. My Carta feels good. No hot spots. No rough, you know, edges popping out of the steel of the tang to my Carta or the pins. It's all flush and smooth, so no issue there. Kind of wish it was a little more of a finger guard. Just be careful or use a lanyard to keep it back, to keep your hand back. Not bad though. I would give it, oh gosh, yeah, maybe 7.25 out of 10. Not too bad. Anyway, again, as I said earlier, hopefully I can get out, start hitting the trails more, start hitting the woods more, and using things out. You know, not just in the backyard anymore. You know, like I used to be able to get out. Hopefully that'll change soon. But yeah, this is a keeper. Darien Expat Machete by ESEE. It's a keeper. So remember, get outside, enjoy life, do science, try things. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.